All right, we have arrived at the pond. It's a nice day in May, probably 60 degrees. Not sure if they have already spawned here or not. It's possible. And usually some good bass in this pond. It's not very big, but it's a nice place to fish. So let's see what we can find. Surface pike action. Good thing I have the wire on. No way I would have gotten this guy. Oh, wire broke. Nice. Right up top, of course, another pike. God, I'm tired of these guys. Come on, you bass. It's like a not bad pike. Hey, look, another pike. Surprise. Oh, God. Probably another pike. Ooh, a stronger one. It is Pike Fest. This might be a bass. Oh, yes, it is. All right, the black jig. Get in here. This guy's got some injuries. Not very big. Almost like something took a swipe at it, and it looks pretty recent. Wow, sorry, dude. I'm glad you escaped. Hopefully you heal up. All right, not a very big bass, but a bass nonetheless, and possibly a clue into what they're looking for. I switched to this black swim jig. Really didn't put any trailer on it because I was just experimenting, but I think a carp just jumped right in front of me. The problem with this black swim jig is I don't have wire on it, so Mr. Pike might have a free lure. Oh, there you go. Just as I suspected. There goes my jig. Oh, oh. Right at the boat. One drag. Yep. Another pike. He is released. Oh, hooked up. Please be a bass. Nope. Another pike. Oh, God. Yeah. I know. We'll get you going. All right, can this one be a bass? Oh, wait a minute. I think I saw some dark green there. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. It's on. This is not a bad one. This is a nice bass. Oh, yes. You gotta come. You gotta come to. Yes. Woo. Finally. All right. There we go. I wonder if this is a pre-spawn. No, it looks like they are spawning here. Or they already finished. Let's get a weight on this. 3.15. No, 3.15. All right, let's let this guy go. Nice. Well, there you have it. Overall, not a terrible day. Caught a bunch of pike and a couple of bass. One of the bass had a big gash on its side, probably from a pike. And I caught a really nice one at the end there, 3.15 pounds. So, you know, could have been a better day for the bass, but at least had some good pike action. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So thank you and see you next time.